Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've all seen it. You give a multi-billion parameter AI a seemingly simple math or logic problem, and it gives you a completely wrong answer. It's frustrating, right? What if I told you that you could dramatically improve your AI's reasoning ability not with complex code, but with a single simple phrase? Today, we're exploring one of the most elegant and powerful techniques in prompt engineering, zero-shot chain of thought or zero-shot-CoT. This magic technique encourages a language model to reason step by step without giving it any prior examples. Unlike few-shot methods, where we show the model what a good answer looks like, the zero-shot approach relies entirely on the model's built-in intelligence. By simply adding a trigger phrase like, "Let's approach this step by step," we transform the AI from a simple answer giver into a problem solver that shows its work. Getting started is incredibly easy. We use the LangChain Groq library to access Groq's lightning-fast language models. After a quick pip install, we import the necessary modules and set up our Groq API key with a free key link in the description. At the heart of this technique is the prompt, structured using LangChain's chat prompt template with two parts. The system message, which instructs the AI to approach problems step by step, explaining your reasoning at each stage, and the human message, formatted as Q input NA, let's approach this step by step. This final line acts as the trigger, handing the turn over to the AI to start reasoning. We then create a simple chain by piping this prompt into our LLaMA 3.18b model from Groq. In a live demonstration, we solve a simple math problem. A store has 100 apples. If 20% of the apples are rotten, how many good apples are left? If asked directly, the model might just output 80, correct but opaque. Through zero-shot-CoT, the AI instead breaks the problem into clear steps, identifying the given information, calculating 20% of 100 as 20, subtracting to find the good apples, 100 minus 20 equals 80, and finally presenting the conclusion. Therefore, there are 80 good apples left. The reasoning is transparent, reliable, and far more trustworthy, all from a simple prompt tweak. And that is zero-shot chain of thought, a proof that sometimes the most powerful techniques in prompt engineering are also the simplest. By guiding the AI to reason step by step, you unlock a deeper level of intelligence and get answers you can trust. All the code for this project is on my GitHub, link in the description, and I highly encourage you to try this technique on your own complex problems. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding.